They say you can tell a lot about a man by their shoes. I guess you can tell a lot about a biker by their boots. Looking at mine, you'd probably say I'm a bit indecisive. I've had 2 pairs of Alpinestars boots in 6 years. First Andes, then Origin Dry Star. Great boots, stayed waterproof until the end, but the soles, bold as a coot after 3 years of use commuting, touring and coaching. Plus, there's the zip factor. The Alpinestars, along with most run-of-the-mill boots, have the zip on the inside of the ankle. It's a small thing until that flap decides to hook itself onto your foot peg at a junction. Not exactly the advanced riding look I'm going for. And so I decided that it was time to level up. I looked at Daytonas, the gold standard for many. But my right foot has a mind of its own. It's got a stubborn 5th metatarsal bone that just doesn't agree with off-the-shelf fit boots. And that brought me here, Richmond, North Yorkshire, home of Altberg. Walking into Altberg isn't like walking into a modern megastore. There are no flashing screens or pushing sales pitches. Instead, I got a warm welcome.
Good morning, sir.
Hi, good morning.
Next, I won't be long.
Okay, no worries. I had an appointment for 12:30, but I did leave home very early because I was afraid of traffic. So I'm very, very early.
A very necessary cup of tea and a feeling that I'd stepped back into a time when things were actually built to last. This is where the magic happens. Being a new biker, or a NooBiker you might say, I'm still learning that gear should work for you, not against you.
Okay, so just in the middle here, yeah?
Straight in, yeah. And then keep your feet nice and still, please.
The team at Altberg spent time properly measuring my feet, both with state-of-the-art devices, but also by talking to me about my feet's high arches, width, and what issues I normally face with shoes.
With in an extra wide foot, this is easy to get on and off your foot. It's got a wider leg as well, so it's easy to get the zip up if you have your leathers inside. This is a lot tighter on the leg.
Right.
So if you have your jeans,
And this is a lot taller.
This is a lot taller, yeah.
That one?
That's what I was thinking.
The
So I'm going to
Roadrunner.
see if I've got any 9.5 extra wides inside. If I haven't, I'll see if I've got anywhere close, just to see if we can get the zip up, and then we'll get a boot to try and get the right foot size. So to get the right foot size, you might need to try a walking boot on today, because the walking boots we keep in stock, the bike boots we don't.
Okay,
I'm just going to go and have a look around.
Brilliant.
I won't be long.
We settled on the standard Roadrunners, but with some custom adjustments to make sure they'd be comfortable all day, both on and off the bike.
It's called a corner on the last there to give you a bit more room, which I will do. I can get the leathers, I can get the trousers to fit, but I will have to customise the boot a bit. There is a surcharge on top to have that done, but it'll make it easier for you to do up the zip.
That's why I came here.
If I didn't do the extra work there, unfortunately, it's a £70 charge to have that work done.
Okay.
It's not a made to measure. It's a customisation. Because we're just going to have to customise that.
While you wait, you can see where the boots are made. It's a hybrid of old school hand craftsmanship and heavy machinery. It's loud, it's tactile, and it's brilliant. It's a proper family business too. That gentleman walking through is the owner. He's there on the floor, involved in the day-to-day. You're not just a customer number here. You're someone they want to see riding comfortably for the next 10 or more years.
It's UK 9.
9, there you go.
43, but measure your feet on there.
Yeah. So normally UK 9.
Yeah, we get about a 9 extra wide on the gauge, so that's where we'd like to start.
Okay.
Now, which bike boot is it you'd like to try on?
I got measured in September 2025. The plan was for a Christmas pickup, but between the holidays and some family schedule clashes on my end, I finally made it back at the end of January. Quality takes time, and honestly, it was worth the wait. This time, I didn't come alone. My wife and son came along, and let's just say the Altberg quality is contagious. My son walked away with a pair of their legendary Peacekeeper police boots, and my wife, who struggles as much as I do to find shoes that actually fit, found a pair of hiking boots that she finally feels supported in. But back to the Roadrunners. Look at that. The zip is on the outside of the ankle. Simple, logical, and no more snagging on the pegs. The leather is thick, the stitching is industrial, and for the first time in my biking life, my right foot isn't screaming for room. Total cost? About the same as those high-end Daytonas after you factor in the customization and the petrol money to travel back and forth between London and Richmond. But these were built for my feet. It's the right money for the right quality. Old school craftsmanship in a world of buy cheap, buy twice. These buck the trend. Buy right, buy once. I might still call myself a noob, but at least now I've got the foundation sorted. If you're struggling with off-the-shelf fit, perhaps it's time you took a trip to Richmond. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next tour. For now, this is Noob out.